Here he comes with the stripes machine. That's a John Candy driving it. So we have Brian's 77 GMC Royal Motorhome here in the shop, and we're putting an exhaust pipe in it. So they made these from 73 to 78. And here's Brian right now. Where you going? But these are an expensive motorhome back in the day. So Black Sabbath had one of these. Cheap Trick had one of these. Bruce Springsteen had one of these. They were pretty expensive. They were a GMC production motorhome. We'll take a quick walk inside and I'll show you what it looks like. So when the guys were done with the concert, this is where they came to sleep. You know, Ozzy was probably here. Tony Iommi was probably over there. That's what the inside of these look like. The driver's seat's kind of cool. Brian just put a brand new windshield in this, and it's like sitting in a fishbowl when you're up front. It's pretty crazy. So when we go to the NASCAR race, this is what we sleep. It's a common theme of the channel. We all kind of like old stuff. We like to fix old stuff, and this is a lot of fun to hang out in this thing. Back here, there was a small bathroom. It's not much of a bathroom compared to today's motorhomes, but back then, this was crazy. This was prime stuff. It's gonna crawl underneath and get to work on this thing. So there's John Candy and Bill Murray working on the motorhome. How's the exhaust coming out, John? That's a fat jack, right?
96er, but it's not pounds, it's inches. It's not ounces, actually, it's inches.
No. Oh. So this is Steve's misery.
Yeah, taking some clamps off.
That's one. Alright, so that pipe goes straight along that frame rail all the way back, right?
Yeah, it recesses in the frame rail. And there's these donuts here that recess in with covers, and then the pipes go inside of them. And this pipe just holds the donut in place, and it's a barrier for the rubber so it doesn't melt the rubber. So the new pipe goes right through this. Huh. This is just like a sleeve, basically. And then we're going to clamp them. And we got a thing here, so we got to see how loose this is, and we got to take off some of these rubbers down the end to pull the exhaust.
So there's more down there.
Yeah, they have some bolts here that hold them in place.
Yep.
So,
so that straight pipe is what we're replacing, and it has a bunch of holes in it, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got it. Put your foot on the thing and shoot yourself out of there. It's a big long pipe. It might just pull right out, Steve.
I'm trying.
Oh, you're gonna have like a football field of pipe. It's like pulling a tooth. Holy exhaust pipe, Batman.
Look at the pulse.
Look at the size of this thing. Holy crap. That's the size of a Cadillac. So every frame wheel, does every frame wheel get one of those couples?
You got one washer here. You got that last bolt?
Yeah, let's use this one on the bottom because it's the distorted one.
3/8 thickness socket. And so we got these in. We've got the sleeves in here. And Brian's got them set so the air will flow through around the pipe. He's going to feed the pipe through now.
Actually, I need the band clamp first. We just loosen this up and then I'll back it off.
So we're going to do all the nuts upward, not downward.
And we got to get paste in there.
You want to put paste in, really?
Yeah, yep. It seals them really good.
Right.
I'll do the paste, so I...
So that paste seals it from leaks, right, Brian?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does a good job. Once it heats up, it just gets like rock hard.
Steve, can you move the gun there?
Oh, yeah.
A difference on this?
Well, it does. It gives you much better.
No, it makes Brian feel better. That's
Yeah.
all it does, people. Let's be real.
And I pre-marked the pipes to. I pre-marked the pipes for the depth too, so we should be good right there.
All right, let's see how much this 3/8 one tightens this down. You ready?
Yep.
Now you see the space over here? We're trying to suck that space up completely. That's the goal here.
I'd say this.
This one ain't gonna have enough guts to do what I got the other gun.
That's good.
Oh, see how we still have a gap right here? We're trying to really get rid of that.
Yeah, but you know,
gap.
we need to get all these pipes on before we crank these down.
Yeah. All right. Well, this one's a starter. We'll come and hit it after, but we're trying to get this gap in here really sucked down flat. That's the goal. So, all right. Not going over easy. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. What are you videotaping this?
A little bit of it.
Oh yeah. We shot a couple of videos this morning.
YouTube videos?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the spinnerooski.
50-year-old camper.
Fire in the hole! Nice. Well, that's a motorhome.
I'm going to heat this up cherry red, and I'm going to flatten this with the hammer. And as you turn that, I'm going to keep heating it. And the flat spot that's not kinked over here is going to work to our advantage to flatten this pipe out so it's nice and smooth inside. So we'll get it all heated up. And then as you turn it, it's going to push out that dent. Plus we're going to hit it with the hammer so that we get this piece so that it's real easy to move.
I've never had a pipe clean like this before.
That's kind of a bad one.
Trying to get this all cherry red because we want to save the tailpipe here. And we're going to take the hammer and tap this around and get the dent out of the pipe is what we're trying to do here. Get it nice and hot.
Yep.
We don't know how far this pipe is going in. We can look inside to see how far in it goes.
It just goes into about here. You can actually see the ring.
Okay. So we're flattening the ring out right now. And then when we twist the part that doesn't have the ring is going to come around here, and then we're going to hammer the pipe a little more. So we're going to heat this up a little more, and then Brian should be able to twist the old pipe over here right out. And as we twist it around, we'll keep tapping on this so that we get this pipe flat again. We want this tailpipe to slide right on our new pipe without an issue.
This is just so soft. It's squishing the pipe. That's nothing.
We have our tool with the tongue here. We're going to find a spot like down here.
Yeah. Did you make that tool off?
Well, this tool is probably older than you, Tony. No, this is the ingenious part of it. When you grab it,
Steve's got all kinds of
you're
shit.
going to squish this pipe now.
There you
And
go.
it's going to pull it right out.
That's kind of good.
So,
So is that deviled ham inside?
okay, so now we're going to have to heat this up
So 9/16.
and get this. Now a lot of our burr is out of this.
So does this go all the way in when you do this?
It may not. Yeah, see, this is too small.
Steve's got everything.
Yeah, this is it's sucking in, but this is for a smaller car, unfortunately. But so we're gonna heat this thing up and square this thing out. I'm just trying to make sure that there's no dent still in here. I can't. It's hot, so I don't want to stick my finger in there. But I'm trying to feel the, you know, the rib in the pipe here. And if there's a little rib in here, we can tap on that. So let's try to get this pipe.
Actually, it might be good. Can I just get the 9/16?
There you go. It's a 14. That's all I got for a long one. Okay.
No, I mean the other one, the 9/16. I think I can get this on. The what?
It goes a rattle test. Come on. So that's it, guys. We got an exhaust fixed and an old Rockstar motorhome, and that'll be it for this one.